The Sub-Zero built-in line offers the following design alternatives: stainless steel, overlay, flush inset, and framed. Measure the intended rough opening space so that it matches the specifications in the installation or design guide. Rough-in dimensions for framed, overlay, and stainless steel applications are the same. The rough opening for each of these units is shown. The width varies by model. Doors must be able to open to 90 degrees. For corner installations, use a filler to ensure doors can fully open. Also, leave enough clearance in front of the unit for full door swing. Flush inset applications allow decorative panels to be flush with surrounding cabinetry. To achieve the flush inset look, a cleat is added to both sides and top of the rough opening. The main frame of the unit will rest against these cleats. The opening extends forward for the overall flush inset depth, assuming the use of a 3/4-inch decorative panel. The width of the opening will vary depending on the model. Surrounding cabinets will have to be designed with this extra depth and width in mind. Verify the floor under the unit is level with the surrounding floor. If it is not level, you could experience problems with the installation. Two units may be placed side by side in a dual installation. Be sure to follow the specifications in the design guide for a dual installation. This application requires a dual installation accessory kit and opposing hinges. Dual flush inset applications require dual flush inset panels. Failure to properly specify these panels will cause panels to collide when opening or closing the doors. If the same hinge swing is desired, a custom filler strip must be installed to prevent door or panel interference. Side-by-side models cannot be installed next to each other with a dual installation kit, due to door interference.